Hey guys, here I am today to unbox the Exustar Enduro Adventure touring kits. I ordered this 3 days back in Lazy Ass Bikers. I will put in some description on what exactly I bought and put the link to the exact product that I bought and maybe also help you guys look into the site that I was referring to. Let me quickly start unboxing this and here we go. This okay. This wow, wow. I am really impressed with this. There it is. The boots look extremely of great quality. I am certainly very happy with this product. I haven't tried this for sure, as you guys know, but I think that's exactly what I'm trying to do now. But so far, I think the build quality, the way it is structured, I think it's pretty beautiful. I'm trying to get this video on phone so that you guys can have a closer look. So as you guys see in here, these go via this clip, get mounted onto this clip, and yeah, it looks pretty sturdy so far. I just go about putting this in here inside and tucking it in. So that looks great, but I'm only worried about the pins that these come up with. I hope these are sturdy enough and the so far look okay. Let's see. So here it is, guys. As you see, try wearing with the shoes. Looks pretty sturdy, extremely comfortable inside. Overall, I'm super satisfied. I am excited to wear this on my next ride anyways, which is going to be in a week. And I think I can pretty much give you an exact review of it after using it on a ride. But yeah, the product looks pretty sturdy. As you see, I'm opening it away. And yeah, the build's pretty okay and good. So the wrapper is tight. I have the padding in here. And yeah, gives extreme suppleness. So, you guys want to go for this? I think it's a pretty decently priced adventure touring boot. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching.